Hello, this is FirstStepsInForex.com. Today's date is the 6th of December 2010, and we are looking at the Eurodollar daily chart on Monday, the start of a new week. We just had a weekend. I hope everybody had a nice weekend. Here we have the daily chart of the Eurodollar. You can see that we have this strong trend down, which we were looking at last week. There's a nice trend line going down. It's bounced off here, 1, 2 points, 3 points. Now it's bouncing off the fourth point. So we have a reinforced, stronger trend down, which is key, I think, to our understanding of what's going to happen next. We also have a support and resistance line just above, and also the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement. So this is a conjunction of different things that are happening. Different indicators are happening all at the same time. We're on the daily chart at the moment. We're seeing a bearish candlestick form here. If I flick down to the 4-hour chart and scroll over, you can see that there's major movement. It's just refreshing. Apologies. Oops. You can see that the trend line's lined up here. There's a major bearish action. So I've gone short. If I go back to the daily chart, I've gone short at around 13343 because I believe we're going to drop down. My target is actually below this target here because we're in a strong downward trend. And we've got to bounce off this conjunction of different indicators. If I go back up to the weekly chart, clearly once again we can see this very strong trend downwards, which should continue. The previous bar, there's a note of caution here, the previous bar is a reversal sign, a pin bar. That is like showing some kind of potential reversal, but we're fighting against a very strong downward trend, and the economic news at the moment is still quite poor for the euro. Let's go back to the daily chart, and everything that I can see indicates that we're almost certainly going down. My stop is just above this triple top, which is at, let's have a look, 13428, approximately around there. That's a mental stop at the moment. A triple top is also a bearish sign. Triple, it's like a flat head. That's a point of resistance there, and you can see that it's repeated over here. In fact, this support and resistance pivot point here, we could go all the way down to there, because it's bounced around here, it's bounced around here. It's almost like two of them, almost two different points, but we'll call that whole area. It can't be exact, so you need to use a wider area to define. It's an area of potential reversal, and I think that's why we're bouncing off here. So because we've got a conjunction of indicators, the probability of a move, there's a higher probability, in my opinion, of the market reversing now and going back down, and that's why I've gone short. Let's see what happens during the week. So we'll come back to this in a day or two. Thank you very much for watching. This is FirstStepsInForex.com, and we'll catch up again in a day or two. Thank you. Goodbye.